My games of the day. One to swap these two. And then these just have to be even. Our reward is we can flip that 90 degrees. Let's just do this. 10, 15. So that takes care of this card. Look at the power. Swap these two. I will swap the 6 to a 1. And I'll use this to swap these two. Now these are all odd. And I can move it 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And that opens up these two blues. You can add or subtract 2 die. I will bring the red down to 4. And then I'll bring this other red up to 4. I will use my power to swap these two. I re-roll everything in one line. So I'm going to re-roll all these and I can put them in any order that I want. I'm going to use 2 of my powers. So now that equals 4. 32. So I'm going to swap these. And that's going to make these all different colors. That will give me 2 of these back. I'm using 1, 2 to turn this into any value that I want. I will make it 3. So that takes care of this card. I can move any one of the cards to any other place. That's what this power is. I'll move this down here. And I will use... I'm just going to turn this into a 6. It might help me, it might not. I don't know. I don't know what the next card is. I'm going to use my power to switch these two. And now I have 2 blacks over here, and I can add or subtract 2 die. Plus minus, so I make this a 5. And then I make this a 5. So that will take care of that there. 2 blacks. Get rid of that. I don't want to do that. And then 2 5s. And now I use my last 2 cogs. And that turn that into anything more than the 4, 5, or 6. And yeah. We'll use 1. Any 2 reds. We can swap them anywhere we want. We will use that for this. 2 reds. I immediately get it. Anything even. Yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. So if I switch this 5 into a 2, they're all even numbers. So that will take care of this. And that would work. So we flip that. And these are all different colors. I hate this card. It's kind of like a punishing reward. Okay. Well, we'll take the 2 whites. Unlock that. We can flip one to its opposite side. Oh no, I'm overthinking this. I'm just going to turn this into a 1 and we'll figure it out later. I'm trying to get the blues over here. So whatever, we'll bring this down to 4. It's one of these dice. You can bring a 6 to a 1. I'm saying that you can. I don't know if you can, but I'm saying you can. Or consecutive. So that means I get these back. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Line. Oh, I really want to be able to move this up here. This will cost 2. The 2, I guess. And then 1 to switch this. Do it. So I'll take 2 and I will turn that into a 3. That's right, 14. And then I can swap any 2 die. Whatever. I'm gonna swap these 2, bring the odds down. Whatever. I'm using 2. No. Whatever. So we swap that, and then we get this from the 2 reds. You can pick where they go when they're the last cards. I think I just lost. Alright, let's see. Okay. Relax. Is there really a strategy in this game? You don't worry about winning. But the tiles don't have the same color, so there's never going to be a tile with 2 yellows that can go in here. So that was a bad move. So there is a little bit of strategy to the game. I bought this game because everybody was talking about it. It's not a bad game. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but I got it. I played it once, and then I just never brought it back out again. It didn't give me a lasting impression. It wasn't good, it wasn't bad, it was just meh. Maybe I know why now. Because I suck at it. I don't know. Let's close this up. Go over here. I got my first flower. Now the question is, what color do I want it to be? Orange. Alright. Problem is, I'm afraid to... Look! Pink or white? I want pink. Whatever. I'm running out of... Nice! Yellow or purple? I want yeller. I want yeller. I start closing some... Whatever. Okay, that's what we're doing. We have 5 tiles left, including the one I'm holding. Oh, whatever. We'll do this. It actually is fun. Maybe I just wasn't in the mood the first time I played it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yep, I'll do white. I don't know why I'm thinking so much about it. There's only 3 tiles left. What are the chances? But it's not going to score me anything. So I ended up getting 5. Right? And that was Gentle Rain. We're going to play Grove. Challenge number 1. I have tried this before and I lost. I'm trying to score 60 points using 12 dice. And then it gives you your card setup. Two and 2 on top of there, so that's going to be 4. And 6. That's 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Okay. And that's the last card. Anyway. Ugh. No. A squirrel. Oh yeah. Forgot about the wheelbarrow. Very good move. I'm not sure. Does this turn into a 5? That's my last card. Whatever. Anyway, 60 points is what I was going for. 41. We're going for 60. It's the same setup. Well, you watch me do it. Okay. So that's going to be 4. And we want to try getting that again. So we'll stay there. That, yeah. This game's kind of fiddly though. Reds, green and yellow. Oh wait, a wheelbarrow. My last draw. And that'll be a 3. That is a squirrel. So squirrel is -1 and then minus each die that is around it. So this would be -3. Score was 56. So 53 is my score, right? So 10, 20, 30, 41, 51, 56, 53. Yeah.